sum, average, range, and if function in Microsoft Excel. ICT share. Sum formula in Microsoft Excel. Sum is a function in Excel adds values in range of cell. This is my example. I have one list of my student exam, and I need total 3 score, count year, English, and skill. So I will add 3 values in this cell. Okay, how to use sum formula. The first, I click on this cell and press equal. And type value sum, SUM. And after, press open parentheses. Select cell of the student score and close parentheses and press enter. Okay, so this is my result after we use sum formula in Microsoft Excel. Okay, with the sum formula is done. Average formula in Microsoft Excel. This formula returns the arithmetic mean of the numbers in the range specified. Okay, so this is my example. I will show to you. I have 3 scores and I want to show the result average of the student score in this cell. So the first, I click on this cell and press equal and show average. After, open the parentheses. Select 3 score, closing open parentheses, and press enter. Okay, this is that result, average of the student. If you need only 2 numbers, after, decrease this small point. Okay, so click on this button. Normally after this small point, I only get 2 numbers like this example. In short, we use the average function. It means that the 3 score is 8 and after the y3 score. So this is the result of the average. Okay, with the average formula is done. Range is values in Excel. You can use the range functions which return the numbers position in list of numbers. Exactly, so this is my example here. I have 3 score, and before we use range function, we need to find the result of the average first. Okay, look at here to calculate to find the range of the positions this number. Press equal and type range. And open parentheses. And I click on the first of the average score of the student. And I press comma and select all the average of the student. And after, close parentheses and press enter. I express use that if you use with the table to manage your list of the student, so you don't press F4. Okay, so this is my result here after use range function. For this result, you can compare that is, so this is that the top score of the student is get number 1. And here is number 2. And after, I just use with how to sort the number. So like this here. So just click on this button and choose smallest to largest. Okay, the outcome of the range is the number show smallest to largest result. Okay, with the range functions is done. If function in Microsoft Excel, if is a particular one function that is used for return the values true or false. Okay, here let's make example here. So I have 3 score. Before I use if function, I need to find 3 results for total, average, and range. Okay, the first result is total. So the first, I press equal and sum. Select all the score of the student and press enter. And we calculate with the average function. Here we press equal and type average. Press open parentheses. Select the 3 score and close parentheses and enter. Okay, so this is the result after we use average function. And click on this button to decrease this small point. And after use range function, before that you find the result of range, you should be have the average first. Here's score of the average student. Okay, use range function. First, press equal and type range. Open parentheses. Click on the first score of the student, comma, select all of the score average of the student, close parenthesis, and press enter. So here that is the result of the student range that we calculate. Okay, the last one column that we find the result of the student pass and fail. Before that we find this result, we need to have the average score of the student. Here lies my example. How to use if function. First, press equal and type if, open parenthesis. Click on the first score average of the student. Is less than 50. Press comma and show the value true. I display the word fail. The technique inside the double quote. And after, press comma and show the value 4. With the value 4, I show the word pass. And I take inside the double quote too. And after, close parenthesis. Okay, so this is that the result after we use if function that we comparison with the score of the student. If the student that less than 50 show the word fail, so this is that result is true. And the result of the student is greater than 50 or equal 50 is show the word pass. So it is correct answer. Okay, with if function is done.